Hey Life Trixers! Today we're unlocking the secrets of earning a stable income online by selling digital products. It's not a magic trick, but with patience and persistence you can turn this into your reality. Remember, creating a steady income stream online doesn't happen overnight. It's like planting a seed. You water it, nurture it, and gradually, it grows into something amazing. Digital products, whether they're ebooks, courses, or software, offer incredible potential. Why? Low overhead, scalability, and the ability to reach a global market. First step, find your niche. What are you passionate about? What can you offer that people need or love? This isn't just selling, it's sharing a part of you. Once you've got your idea, it's time to create. Make it unique, make it valuable, and most importantly, make it solve a problem or fulfill a need. Now, let's talk marketing, your best friend in the digital space. Use social media, SEO, and email marketing to get the word out. Be bold, be creative. Remember, persistence is your key to success. Each setback is a setup for a comeback. Keep refining, keep reaching out, and keep believing in your product. Set realistic goals. Aim for consistent progress, not instant success. Celebrate the small victories. They add up to big wins. You're playing the long game, Trixers. With each step, you're building more than a product. You're building a brand, a presence, and a future. So start your journey today. It's a path of growth, learning, and ultimately, freedom. Dive into the digital world and carve out your success story. And remember, we're here with tips and tricks every step of the way.
Napoleon the Kid, from boy to emperor. Dive into the early escapades of a legend, vividly brought to life by David Wire. Witness a young hero's journey. Adventure, strategy, triumph. A story revived in stunning illustrations, proudly presented by Trix.
Get it and read it.
The saga of Napoleon awaits.
Frankenstein. The original tale, revived with stunning new illustrations. A timeless story of creation and chaos. Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, published by Trix, available on Amazon Kindle now. Get it and read it.
Het betoverende boek Oude Klaas, de echte verhalen van Sinterklaas, geschreven door niemand minder dan de kleinzoon van de Sint, is nu verkrijgbaar op Amazon Kindle. Klaas neemt je mee op een avontuurlijke reis, waar hij zijn echt gebeurde verhalen onthult, samen met zijn beste vrienden, Ali en Piet. Avontuur, vriendschap en een vleugje mysterie. Haast je naar Amazon Kindle en bestel nu je digitale exemplaar van dit fantastische boek. Ideaal voor dappere kinderen en hun ouders. Nu te koop als e-book op Amazon Kindle. Koop het en lees het.